Will virtual environment optimization (VEO) replace SEO? These days we see that many companies and firms are using virtual and augmented reality for their branding and business promotion. Nike's VR World was a good experience with the marketing of clothing and shoes. IKEA used the Place app in helping people to arrange their furniture through AR. KapilGuru's platform provides many job-oriented courses by expert trainers. Some of them are given here for the reader's reference. There is a course by InfoSmart Technologies for 25 days. Students can join this course by paying a fee of 8,000 rupees. The certificate will be issued after completing the course. Another course on digital marketing is by Sanyam Gupta for 10 days. Students can learn the course by paying a fee of 18,000 rupees. Ravindra, who is 18 years experienced, is offering a course for 10 days. The classes will be conducted both on weekdays and weekends. The fee for the course is $999. Search engine optimization (SEO) was an important strategy for all organizations for the past many years. Now it seems that the trend of all big corporates and companies is toward virtual environment optimization (VEO). It has been observed that businesses are rather interested in virtual reality, augmented reality, metaverse, etc. The latest trends reveal that soon the next evolution of SEO is going to be virtual environment optimization (VEO). What about the metaverse? In broad terms, the metaverse will combine virtual and augmented reality to create a world that continues to exist even while you aren't playing. A simulated environment that is created by computer technology is virtual reality. Virtual and augmented reality have already started making a remarkable impact in a variety of fields. Changing rapid strategies of businesses shows that we are going to leave behind the era of SEO and enter a new period with new plans and techniques which are more related to virtual environment optimization. Users are transferred into a three-dimensional world where they can interact with a 3D environment when virtual reality is used. In circumstances like Guantanamo Bay, where a journalist virtually entered the jail to capture genuine audio and photos for a story, virtual reality has been used for immersive journalism. Keeping up with the latest trends in virtual reality SEO and marketing with technology growing at such a quick pace, businesses must implement new technologies into their operations to stay ahead of the curve, said Cass Payton, MD of OnBuy.com. Many pieces of evidence point to the future of shopping being entirely online. The forms of virtual reality can be divided into three categories. A computer-generated virtual environment is known as non-immersive VR. Our real estate agents can get numerous benefits through virtual reality, like cutting down costs and time and dealing with multiple customers at a time. Data visualization, virtual reality and augmented reality can play very important roles in sending information faster and in a more sophisticated way. Visual reality is used not only in recreation and at-home entertainment but also in many other fields. Virtual reality is now being used by major sporting organizations such as the NFL, NASCAR, and the NBA to aid with practice and training in real-time simulations. Virtual reality, according to Mindy Weinstein, founder and CEO of Market Mindshift, is already established and, like SEO, requires adaptation and preparation for the market in this new environment. Weinstein remarked, "The military uses virtual reality for training that is too difficult, rare, or risky." Kapil Towers, ISB Road. Financial District, Nanakremita. Telangana, India.